Before starting any startup or before choosing any startup idea, so what do you think are the qualities or the features that one should take care of?
Okay, so for any startup or entrepreneur, there are a few steps which he has to follow, and those are important because if he doesn't go in a structured way, it's very difficult for this person to survive. Startups usually have a very high failure rate because they just want to start up without understanding what the market is and what's the process. So we always take them through a process.
Okay.
And what the aspiring entrepreneur needs to know is whatever he is trying to do or produce, a good or a service, is there really a requirement for it? Is he solving a problem or not? So the starting point is that you need to identify what is the problem you are solving.
Okay.
Whether you are making a product or a service, is there a problem you are solving? If you are not solving any problem, your product will not survive unless it is a very upmarket product which has some aesthetic sense. Leaving out that, most of the products are products which help solve some problem. So you need to go to the market and you need to do a survey to understand whether what you are thinking in your mind and what you're passionate about, that same thing is required by the market or not. So market survey, that's the first point.
Okay.
Then he needs to validate, yes, there are enough number of people who want this product. Then he needs to see whether to produce this product, we say they should be technical feasibility, operational feasibility, and financial feasibility. So you can make a product, but if it is too expensive, nobody will buy. So can you make the product what people need and solve their problem at a price that they want to pay and at a time that they want the product? It should not be too early in the market, not too late.
Okay.
Okay, so this should be the right time. And this product should be wanted, it should solve a problem, and it should end up in giving you, financially, it should be feasible and give you at least some profit over and above cost. Then only you can survive. Yeah,
Okay.
these are a few things which he has to keep in mind. And he has to make a good team, of course. Without team, he can't do anything.